Some Roger Miller. You all right? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Engine number 9, coming down the railroad line. How much farther back did she get off? The old brown suitcase that she carried, I've looked for it everywhere. It just ain't there among the rest, and I'm a little upset. Yes, tell me, engine number 9, coming down the railroad line. I know she got on in Baltimore. Wow, I lost the entire chord there. 110 miles ain't much distance. It sure do make a difference. I don't think she loves me anymore. I warned her of the dangers. Don't speak to strangers. If by chance she finds a romance, warm lips to kiss her, arms to hold her tighter, stirring new fires inside her. How I wish that it was me instead of she that stands beside her. Tell the engine number 9, coming down the railroad line. I know she got on in Baltimore. 110 miles ain't much distance. It sure do make a difference. I don't think she loves me anymore. It's a drag version here. No, I don't think she loves me anymore. No, I don't think she loves me anymore. That's fake. It's something with centrifugal force in it, I believe.